Hello kids! Good morning! Magandang araw! Here I am again, Teacher Effie, to teach you your lesson. And to recap all the lessons that we have taken up, let's start from the very beginning. And we studied about vowel A, sounds A. Letter A sounds A. Okay, next we have second vowel. We have letter E sounds A. Letter E sounds A. And our third vowel, we have letter I sounds E. Letter I sounds E. And then our letter O sounds O. Letter O sounds O. And this time, our fifth vowel is vowel U. And vowel U sounds U. Your jaw is hard. Like that. Letter U sounds U. Okay. So that is the correct way in your letter U. Okay? Again, letter U sounds U. Like that. So when you go to your pictures, we have letter U sounds umbrella. Letter U sounds undershirt. Letter U sounds underwear. Letter U sounds underpass. So you see, children, of all the letters of the alphabets, this is the only letter with two sounds. In English, letter U sounds but in Ilocano or Filipino, Tagalog, letter U, tunog, U. Okay? So remember, children, all the alphabets, all the letters of the alphabets, they are all the same in English and Filipino. Only in letter U, vowel U, have two sounds. Okay? Again, let's repeat. Letter U sounds U. It's like you're angry. Okay? So that is your letter U. See, children, you are done with your 5 vowels. They played a very important in our reading because they will be together with our consonants. So, in our consonants, there are 21 letters that we are going to study, but we will study one at a time. So, it will be easy for you to go to your words. Okay? So, your letter A sounds A. Letter E sounds E. Letter I sounds E. And letter O sounds O. And letter U sounds U. Okay, again, letter U sounds U. Okay, so those are now our vowels, and we are done with our vowels. And tomorrow, we will start with our consonants. Okay? So, always tune in, always follow me so you will learn. And always like, share, and subscribe in our channel. I'll give you the best. Okay, kids? Remember, be blessed and be a blessing. Always be good in the family. Don't be hard-headed. Remember, Jesus loves you. Okay, kids? Have a great day and goodbye again. See you again tomorrow. Bye!